Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this AirTag. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your AirTag. These are videos for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, so let's remove it from the package. This is a new one, is working, but I just want to show you how to replace the battery. So you need to press. There is 3 clips, like 3 hooks right here. 1, 2, 3. So it's holding this the AirTag. So we need to press here and go left. See, it pops up right there. Okay. Okay, right there. And this is the battery that you need, CR2032 Duracell. Okay, so let's replace it with the same one. Just make sure it doesn't have to be the same brand, but the same model. Make sure it's the same model, CR2032. Okay, so now let's put it like the signs right here, the logo up. Okay, right there. Okay, you see, you hear the sound. And now make sure the apple is like kind of straight. Sorry. So like this, and look at there is the hooks right here, right here. So it has 3. So like I said, make sure this go inside there, and then you need to twist it to the right. Okay, so right there, press it and twist it. Right there. Okay, that's it, guys. And I'm gonna make another video how to set up this AirTag with your phone, but I only have one phone right now, so I need another phone to make my video. So I will do it in the future. Okay, but for now, I just show you how to replace the battery on this Apple AirTag. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give me like, subscribe, check my other videos. I am trying to fix anything I can. I love to fix things wherever I can, and share with the people, because I like to help people. And if you want to help me, just give me like, subscribe. You can ask me questions. That's the only way you can help me a little bit. Okay. So have a great day. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Go Bears.